talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Ice Edge Adventurous app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, and here you're looking for Ice Edge Adventurous. Or just click on search, then here add Ice Edge Adventurous is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Ice Edge Adventurous, it's going to show for you like this. So then here you will find update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.